When we designed the XF camera system, we designed it to be a platform that we could continue to build on in the future. We designed it to be the best possible tool we could make for the world's best photographers. We now take the XF platform another big step into the future. The XF IQ 300 megapixels. It's a full-frame CMOS sensor. It's 100 megapixels. It has 16 bits of color depth and 15 stops of dynamic range. And the ISO goes to 12,800. Phase One and Sony have been working together for many years. The first product from this was the IQ 250. Creating a full-frame version was an obvious next step. When we take the 16 bits of raw color data from this sensor and then integrate that with all the color processing and image processing knowledge in Capture One, the results are simply spectacular. Phase One was a digital back company for many years, but now with the XF, we're truly embracing our new role as an integrated camera system company. I'm certain that this system will be considered a milestone in the industry.